yeah, look what I got. So I've been showing you guys how to integrate your smartphone with your car to make it more technology integrated. So I got lucky and the people at FenSens sent me this package. So what it will do, it will allow me to pretty much use your phone as a backup camera because my device in my car, I do not have a backup camera. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to show you. Let's go unbox this real quick. And then after that, I'm going to use it for a while so I can give you guys a real and honest review. So this is the FenSens. Let's go check it out. Let's go open it. I'm excited.
The Tech Temple.
Here we are with the FenSens. So pretty much it is a license plate frame that goes on your car front and the back. So you can see if you want to have the front, you're going to need one for the front also. I'm just going to do the purpose for the back for this video. And it will transmit a signal wirelessly to your device. So there's no taking your car apart in order to run the wires to the camera, none of that, which was great. Works for Apple and Android, and plus some of the features that this comes with. Like I said, it's wireless. It uses two AA batteries, and they roughly last 5 months. You have to change that to make sure you keep the camera powered, since it's not getting power just directly from the car. There's a free app, except for Android and iPhone, and there's some proprietary anti-theft tools to prevent people from taking this off of your car if they, if somebody is just that bold. So there's a 1-year guarantee, and installs in 5 minutes. This says it right here. So hopefully that that claim is pretty good. I guess we'll find out when we go install it. So let's see exactly what we got in here. Video is just going to be for the unboxing. I'm going to actually cut out for at least a few days, see how it works, and then report back. So I want to make sure I get this a good review. Like I said, this is definitely brand new. Have not opened this, so I don't really know what to expect out of the package. Hopefully that takes off some of the glare. It's a nice box. I like the box. Even got a little handle on it so you can take it with you. I guess we need that because we gotta take it out of the box. Alright, so there's that. And here's the box right here. Right there, showing you got the QR code for the app. And just takes 4 screws and put it on. So I'm gonna take my old license plate frame off, which is nice because I needed one anyway. And look, there's for the quick launch, you could tap that. So you actually put this on your steering wheel, then you tap that and it activates the backup camera, which is nice. We'll see how it does in practice, and hopefully you don't hit the button while you're turning, or maybe you just kind of get used to it after a while. But I do like the quick guide. Got a nice piece of foam in here. Just a quick guide to the side. So there is the tap they were talking about. So you put this on your steering wheel, so you just tap it. It is a physical press, and you tap that, and that will activate the app on your phone, so it turns the camera on. This is a nice package they got here, I will say that. Here is the phone mount. So it's even got the metal plate. So I see what they did there. This is metal. This is a magnet right here. So kind of like what I was showing you guys in my videos, except this one actually goes on your vents. I don't really like the vent ones too much because a lot of phones are heavy now and they kind of weigh down, and your phone goes down because of how weighty it is and heavy it is. And this will go on the back of your phone or the back of your case, and you can see right there it's a magnet, so you gotta pick it up. So that is a magnet indeed. And there's also a spare one in here too, in case you want a different size, or you have this, and also if you have multiple phones. Here is the hex things to screw in. I'll screw in the actual screwdrivers that come with it, so you don't need your own separate. But they got that, and remove the sticker and place lower registration tabs here. So basically you have your registration tabs for your actual license plate, so it doesn't cover it up. You put them on here. And let's actually take this out, and here is the actual license plate frame, so it's pretty light, actually. I'm surprised. Warning, there's an anti-theft system in there, so it says right there. I don't know if that sticker makes people want to steal it more when they see that or not, but there is a anti-theft sticker there, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 where you put the screws in. And I'm going to go ahead and try that out. And there's one other thing in here. These are the batteries that power the device, so that way you don't that's nice, because some people are stingy, some companies are stingy, don't include the batteries. So I believe you just probably take these little screws out, and the batteries probably go in there, I'm assuming. I'll put a note if I'm wrong. I'll put a note in the video. I'm just guessing at this point because I'm just unboxing this with y'all. And yep, so that's it. So it's a nice box, nice kit overall. I like the way that they presented it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. So there's everything. Here is a guide on the parking sensor and setting everything up. And right there, car side indicators. And see if anything of importance is in here. If you don't know, the quick launch button already. It showed, and let's see how if it tells us how far this thing goes. So 10 feet. So it will register 10 feet from your object to your car, and there's a 4-foot radial range, which is nice. It tells you if it's disconnected, so if you try to use it and it's not working, it'll let you know ahead of time. It's not recommended for vehicles without a license plate higher than 4 feet off the ground. So if you have a truck, this is going to cause you an issue. If you have a huge truck, so keep that in mind. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. So I will let y'all know how it goes. Thanks for checking out this unboxing video. If you got any questions, let me know. Peace.